Hello student, this is the new topic, naming of polyfunctional group. Polyfunctional means there's a lots of functional group are given in one structure. Okay, so there's a different type of functional group, and there is suffix and prefix. Prefix means starting and suffix means ending word. Okay, so how to apply this suffix or prefix? Okay, so first you consider ki which functional group has higher priority and which is lower. So suppose there is a different types of functional group, so how can you learn and how can you check the which functional group has more priority? So just there's a simple trick. कार सेंट्रो ऐसी थी जैसे एम्बेसडर सिया का टेम्पो थी. Just you learn this is a priority order of functional group. The first is car means carboxylic acid. The priority of carboxylic acid is one of the most priority of carboxylic group. Then after sulfonic acid, car centro S for sulfonic, AN for anhydride, TRO for ester, SC means acyl halide, RC double bond of Cl group and ClBr है ना. थी जैसे this is not applied. Ambassador means amide group, CONH2 group. Then Siaka, this is a C for cyanide, I for isocyanide, A for aldehyde, K for ketone and A for alcohol. Tempo, T for thiol, AM for amine and PO for epoxy. So this is the first priority of carboxylic acid. Clear? And just you learn this functional group. There is a prefix and suffix group. Then how to write the polyfunctional group IUPAC? Okay. So just there's a different type of example naming of polyfunctional group. So now first you consider there's a how many groups are there. So there is a COOH group and OH group. So you know very well COOH group is a first priority of the functional group. Okay. So now there is a COOH group. So COOH is a main functional group. So you just apply. This is for suffix, and other functional group is there in the structure. तो इसको आप prefix के form में लिखोगे. Just you write in prefix form. Okay. So now how to count from which carbon? So there is a functional group. So first you count 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So this is a suffix and this is what prefix. So what is the prefix of OH? OH, the prefix is hydroxy. So there is a 2 hydroxy. There's a 2 hydroxy, and how many carbon is there? 3. It means propane, and you know very well the suffix of carboxylic acid is oic acid. So there's 1 oic acid and E replaced by O. Okay. And the second, there's a 2 different group. So you know very well OH is a first priority and the NH2 is the second priority. And how to check? Again, देखो, alcohol first and then amine is second. The alcohol is the main. Alcohol is the first priority and the second is the amine group. Yeah. So you just consider कि OH is suffix and NH2 is prefix. So what is the prefix of NH2 is what? Amine, and the suffix is amino. But OH is the main priority. तो इसको suffix के form में write करेंगे and NH2 for prefix. So how to count OH for near for this carbon? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 is what? 3 prefix is amino. 3 amino. Yeah, done. And how many carbon in main chain? 4. It means butane. And the second carbon contain OH group. It means 2-ol. Clear all of you? Now there is a 3 type of functional group. So you know very well the main functional group is COOH. So this is what suffix, and these two are prefix. Yeah, this is prefix and this is prefix. अब इसको भी आपको, ये तो आपका suffix हो गया and these are prefix, तो इसको भी alphabetically arrangement करना है. Now this is what amino and this is what hydroxy. So amino A is first and hydroxy H is second. Okay. Now the count from this carbon 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Okay. So now there is a 2 amino. 2 amino. Yeah, clear? 2 amino. And then after 3 hydroxy. Clear? 3 hydroxy. And how many carbon in main chain? 4. It means butane. And E replaced by oic acid. So 1 oic acid. Clear? 100%? Okay. Now the same thing, COOH again is a main priority and ketonic group. This is prefix. So what is the prefix of ketone? This is what? Oxo or keto. So first you count from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 is what? 3 keto or oxo? 3 oxo. And how many carbon in main chain? 4. It means butane. 1 oic acid. Clear? Okay. Now again there is a 3 functional group. So this is a main, this is what? Suffix, and these two are prefix. Clear? So this is what? The CHO prefix is formyl and keto suffix is oxo. So F is first, then O is second. So first you write down the counting from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So 3 is what? Formyl. 3 formyl. Yes. And then after 4 oxo. And how many carbon in main chain? 5. It means pent 1 oic acid. And how many functional group is there? There is a first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is a main. So this is suffix and these all are prefix. And how to write? Just you consider alphabetically arrangement. This is what formyl, this is what oxo, this is what amino, this is what hydroxy. So first you write down amino group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So 3 is what? Amino. 3 amino. And then after, this is formyl, this is hydroxy. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F. Then G, then H. Yani F. So then 2 formyl. And then after 5 hydroxy, yeah, and then after 4 oxo, 4 oxo, and how many carbon in main chain? 6. It means hexane 1 oic acid. Clear? 100%? Okay. Now the next is very important example. Now how to write this type of IUPAC and how to write? Just you learn. There is a functional group of COOH. Yeah. This is suffix and these two are prefix. Okay. This is what? Carbonyl chloride. Yeah. C double bond OCl. C double bond O prefix. C double bond O Cl. देखो. Just you check. Just you check. There is a C double bond OX na. So this is suffix is oil halide and prefix is haloformyl. Suppose Cl is there, so it means chloroformyl. Suppose Br is there, it means bromoformyl. Clear? Okay. Now there is a Cl group is there, so it means chloroformyl. So this is chloroformyl and this is what? C double bond O OC2H5. So how to write for this? C double bond O OC2H5. Okay, just again C double bond O, C2H5. There is an alkyl group. The suffix is alkyl alkenoid and the prefix is alkoxycarbonyl. Alkoxy means, suppose there is a CS3 group, it means methoxy, and this part is carbonyl. Suppose C2H5 is there, it means ethoxy. Clear? Okay. Now there is a what? C2H5, it means ethoxy, and this is what? Carbonyl chloride. Carbonyl formyl. Chloroformyl. So just you're counting from that side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not this, because this is a functional group. So in the 5th position there is a chloroformyl. In the 4th position there is a ethoxycarbonyl. So E first or C first? To C. So in 5th position, 5 is what? Chloroformyl. And then after 4 is what? 4 is what? Ethoxycarbonyl. And how many carbon in main chain? There is a 5 carbon. It means pentane oic acid. Yeah, pentanoic acid. Clear? Clear all of you? Okay. Now there's again 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Sorry, this is a 5. This is bromoformyl. So first you count from this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 is bromoformyl, 5 is cyano, and 3 for amino, and OH for hydroxy. So just this is a suffix and these all are prefix. So counting from alphabetically arrangement. Okay, now this is a amino. A is first, 3 amino. Yeah, clear? 3 amino. And then after bromoformyl, so bromo is what? 6 bromoformyl. Clear? And then after there is a hydroxy, there is a cyano. So A, B, C. So 5 is what? 5 cyano. Cyano is a suffix, prefix. And then after 4 hydroxy. And the last one, there's a 6 carbon. 6 means hexane 1 oic acid. Clear? The same thing for this. There's a different type of functional group, you know very well. This is oxo, this is methoxy, this is cyano, and again there is a double bond. So first you count from this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. Yeah. So this is cyano, this is methoxy, this is oxo. So this is what? M, starting for M word, methoxy, and this is C, cyano. Yeah. So first you write down 2 cyano, then 3 methoxy. Yeah, clear? 100%. And then after 6 is oxo. 6 oxo. And how many carbon in main chain? This is 6. So hex, what? There's a 4 double bond is there, 4 ene and 1 oic acid. Clear? Clear? Now in this case there's a only 2 function group, so 1 and 2. So this is what? Alkoxy carbonyl. Yeah, this is alkoxy carbonyl, this is ethoxy carbonyl. Yeah, so first you check which has more priority, CN or C double bond or C2H5. So just you check again. Just you check. Car centro, TR, ester is first, and then after cyanide is the second. So this is prefix and this is suffix. So what is the suffix of ester? alkyl alkenoid. Alkyl alkenoid. Yeah, alkyl alkenoid. So how to write for this thing? How to write alkyl alkenoid? Yeah. So first you write down, you know very well. Just count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Clear? Clear 100%? Okay. So you know very well, first you count from this part. This is a suffix, na? So you know in my last video where is this group is present and how to write the IUPAC name. So first you write down ethyl. Yeah, ethyl. Now suppose this is a main substitute, main functional group. This is the main priority of this group. Suppose this is a suffix and these all are prefix. So first you write down this thing. Yeah, this is ethyl. Then after 1, 2, 3. 3 is what? Ethyl. 3 cyano. Yeah. And how many carbon in main chain? There is a 5. So what? Alkyl alkenoid, na? So what? 5 carbon is pentane 1-OH. Pentanoate. Clear? 100%. Suppose you have any problem, then again watch my video. Okay. Okay. Now the next is, this is a 11 example. Example number 11. Yeah. Just wait.